Oh, hello there, people. It seems like you're looking for ways to make money from home. Well, you come to the right place on the internet, because in this video, I'll tell you all about it. She's intro aside, let's talk about sex, babe. Oh wait, no, I do that with other people. Yeah, let's talk about finance instead. In one of the ways I'll be mentioning, there's this most important thing called subscribing. So make sure to subscribe, and of course like the video for a holy algorithm to do its thing and help me grow like a flower in summer. I don't know where I get these things from, honestly. Alright, let's stop diddly dallying and just jump right in. Stonks and funds. Who could have thought? But really, if you want to make the big money, the stock market is a good way to do that. You just need an income to start with and patience. Lots and lots of patience. Like a lot. And yes, I know that it seems daunting, but it's really quite simple. You sign up to a service of your choosing, and then you buy a stock, which is part of a company. Or you buy a fund, which is a collection of stocks, often run by a fund manager. There are loads of information for you to take part of, and this video won't cover that, but how it works is that if you buy one stock at say $1,000, you're investing that money into an expected profit. So if the company does well and grows, then your stock is worth more. After a year, maybe that one stock is worth $2,000 and you decide to sell it. You're of course gonna have to pay taxes unless you are a pirate or run your own private company, which, by the way, awesome if you are. Hi, Mr. Editor here. You know when he just said company? He didn't mean that. He meant like the video and subscribe to watch more of your favorite boyo, Mr. Linus, aka Mr. No, he actually meant country. You know, it says so right here in the script. Yeah, I do scripts. So what? Back to the video. But when taxes are paid, say 30%, you might be left with $1,400. That means that your profit is $400 after a year. Which of course doesn't sound like a lot, but the more you invest, the more you gain. Why is that? Well, because the stock market is based on percentages, and a 7% increase of say $1,000 is 1,070. But 7% of $10,000 is 10,700, and so on and so on. So the more money you invest, the more money you gain and profit. If you invest in a fund, which is a collection of stocks, and you have 10,000 invested with an interest rate, aka the growth, of 7%, you gain 700 the first year. The next year is 7% again, and if you haven't touched your money, you now have 11,449. That means your gain the second year is $749. All this means is that from those 700 the first year, you can take out 300 and still make your fund investment grow. So the first year you get $300 from just saving / investing, and it'll only grow from there. Do know that the stock market comes with risk, and you might lose money, but historically the market has been growing every decade. But that's enough of stonks. Let's transfer to more creative and fun stuff. YouTube. I would say YouTube is the most accessible platform for you to make big money from, but again, you need patience and good content. Be original and do your own thing. But beware of the algorithm, and if you conquer it, then you shall become the master of the internet. Dramatic voice aside, if you feel like expressing your creativity and making money while you do it, then YouTube really is the easiest way for you. Yes, you need equipment like a camera, microphone, a PC, and some kind of knowledge in editing videos, but once you have all that, the sky is the limit. You can find your niche and dive deep into it, or, like me, be diverse and do whatever you like. I mentioned the algorithm, and what I said is kinda true. Use it to your advantage, research about thumbnails and titles, and keep making videos until enough people find you. There are millions and millions of people out there on YouTube, and what you have to offer will surely interest some of them, or even a lot of them. You just need the exposure to show them that you exist, and voila, you're off. Then, using monetization could after a year or more earn you, say, $3,000 a month, or even more, which is kind of cool actually. The third way to make money will need a bit more personal investment from you, but once it's up and running, you can make money. And isn't that what we all want? Online businesses. This category covers a large variety of ways to make money, but all you really need is a computer to access the internet. From that, you can blog, you can freelance, or use affiliate marketing, which basically is promoting a company or its product for payment. And the more people you get to click on the links, then the more money you get. But if you're a bit more technical, you can create an app, which might be a gold mine if you play your cards right. Just look at Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, or any of those big apps. Just be creative, be original, and create something that people want. Or you can teach others the things you know through courses. If you're very good at cooking, then record that and sell it as a course. Or if you are a professional writer but you're not making enough money, then you can use the skills you have to make more money from, because people want to learn stuff and people are willing to pay to learn stuff. You can also combine all these methods to build up your income, make YouTube videos and use that publicity to promote your other online businesses, all while investing money into stocks and funds. I was about to say stonks, but let's not go there again. Do this smart and effective and you might be set for life after, say, a decade of doing this. Because as we discussed earlier, stocks and funds, they only grow, and your investment will grow, and your channel will grow on YouTube. The more videos you have, the more exposure you have, and the more views you can get per video. So let's say a video you made a year ago might even today make you money. And that's nice, because money in the sleep is what we all want, isn't it? Now, I'm just at the beginning of my journey with stocks, funds, and YouTube, but let's see how far I can go. In 1 year, I'll look back on this video and make another one on how far I come. Let future Linus see the harvested fruits of past Linus. Hello, future Linus. It's been nice knowing you. I hope you found some inspiration from my video, and if you did, let me know down below in the comment section. And thank you for watching all the way here and making the holy algorithm happy once more. See you later, alligator.